Okay, so I was trying to fix my washer, right? Because it was making this weird sound like Wilbert, like it was possessed by a robot ghost. So I duct taped a bunch of random wires to it, hit spin, and boom, blinding light. Suddenly, I'm in a field, wearing a suit of armor. There's a guy on a horse yelling, "Thou shalt pay for thine crimes." I hadn't even done laundry yet. Anyway, I got chased by a guy with a lance, fell into a moat, swam through time, I don't know, I don't make the rules, and landed back in my apartment with a dragon. His name is Jeremy. He's huge, breathes fire, and loves Doritos. Moral of the story, don't fix your washer with spare Xbox parts.